It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
The Cadillac Brougham was among the last big American land yachts to be made in America, and it was certainly the last car to have a carbureted engine. This car has the Oldsmobile 307 V8. It makes about 140 horsepower. We're gonna take a quick look at the engine bay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. And here under all these vacuum hoses we have the Oldsmobile engine. This particular engine was fitted in many American cars during the mid-80s to the early 90s, and it's a love-hate relationship with it, really. Since this is a so-called smog era car, as you can see there are a lot of vacuum hoses. You can hardly even see the engine block under there, and this of course led to many performance issues. These cars were not particularly fast in acceleration or anything, so to say. So now let's check out the interior, shall we? Inside the Cadillac Brougham you have everything to accommodate you. It is power seats, and to be honest it is power everything. And it's quite incredible that after all these years everything is still working. All the windows, all the seats, and even the heated rear window. This car was imported from Canada in 2008, hence it features a speedometer cluster in kilometers per hour, as well as the climate control being in Celsius, which suits me pretty good because I am in Sweden and today we have quite a rainy day. And this is quite a big car. It's almost 19 feet long. It's quite a walk to go around it. It also features the automatic trunk pull-down lock mechanism, which automatically latches the trunk for you. This car still has the factory original vinyl roof and the factory original paint. Paint is called Academy Grey. That is that. Let's start her up and take her for a ride, and let's see how she sounds. And this is indeed a very smooth, quiet car. You feel like you do not have a hurry to do anything. You just sit here and enjoy the ride. And the steering is actually so smooth that you can steer with just a finger. You can't do that in many cars today.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!